Alright, y'all, real quick, I know that it's super loud up in here, but I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make gravy real quick. It's super simple, super easy. There's plenty of ways that you can make it, but this is just one of them. Also, do not forget to get y'all cookbooks. They are on Amazon. Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. You can either search my name or you can search the title of the book, but don't forget to get them. Let's get into it. What I'm about to do is take the drippings from this and make the gravy. Add some oil. You want to do equal parts oil and butter, but do what you want. So we're gonna add our onions. If you don't like onions, you can just skip this part, but if you don't, eat childish. For real. Okay, so now we're gonna add our flour. We add about 1/4 cup of flour, y'all. Cook this in. And if you need to, we're going to add just a little bit more oil. It's because I'm not ready to add in my fat yet. I want my gravy to be a little bit more darker, so I'm going to cook this down some more. As y'all can see, it darkened up a bit. So we're going to add in our stock. Now you can use chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you cooking, you can use it. Or you can use the drippings from whatever you cooked. So you just want to whisk this. I'm going to turn this down because it is a little high. We don't want it boiling. So now we're going to get all the clumps out. And we're just going to cook this until it starts getting really thick, until our desired thickness. Okay, here's where I'm going to add some garlic. Even though I know we had garlic from the drippings, but I like extra garlic, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Y'all don't have to add this extra garlic if you don't want to. Totally optional. And I'm going to add some seasonings. So y'all don't want to season this too much because we're using the drippings from the chicken. So you don't want it to be too salty because the chicken has seasoning, if that makes sense. So that was a little onion powder. I'm sorry, that was a little garlic powder, black pepper, and this is onion powder. And these are just the basic seasonings that I always use when making gravy. And a little seasoning salt, just a little, not too much. And then y'all just gonna taste this and see if it's your desired taste. If it's not, if it's too salty, add a little bit water. If it's bland and not seasoned enough, add some more seasoning. There's nothing to it, y'all. And that's just it. Quick, simple, and easy gravy, y'all. I'm going to let mine get a little bit thicker than this, and then we're going to be done with this. I'm going to go ahead and taste it, though. Make sure we ain't tasting like no flour or nothing. So, y'all, real quick and simple and easy gravy. There's nothing to it. There's plenty of ways, like I said before, of ways that you can make gravy. But y'all just let me know what else y'all want to learn, what y'all want to see, okay? And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget that the grocery list is in the description below. And y'all know how extra I'm gonna be and add my red pepper flakes.
Hit that subscribe button!